Hello everyone, welcome to Math Tutor. Today we study some shortcut tricks for trigonometric functions of the questions related to CET, JEE or NDA. Then here first question is the number of principal solution of tan theta is equal to 1. Then here we directly find the solution in few seconds. Okay. Then here when it is required find the number of principal solution of tan theta is equal to 1, then it is possible. Okay. Same thing, the number of principal solution of tan theta is equal to minus 1 is also 2. This value of tan theta is a positive. Then tan is positive in which quadrant? We have to identify only this. Okay. For that we use this trick. That is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth quadrant. Then ASTC. This A means all positive. मतलब sin, cos, all are positive, sec, cosec, tan, cot. Then here yes means here sin is positive and its reciprocal cosec is positive. Here T means cot is that is tan is positive and its reciprocal cot is positive. Then here C means here cos is positive and its reciprocal sec is positive. Okay. Then remaining all the values are negative. मतलब यहाँ पे सब terms positive. यहाँ पे only sin and cosec positive. The remaining all terms are negative. Here tan and cot is positive. Remaining all are negative. Here cos and sec is positive, remaining all are negative. Then here angle is start from 0 to pi by 2, that is our rotation start from this point to up to complete 2 pi rotation. Okay. Then when it is required to find a principal solution, then our definition of principal solution, that is a solution which is from 0 to 2 pi. Solution फाइंड आउट करना है which lies between this interval 0 to 2 pi के बीच में ही लाई होना चाहिए. ठीक है. Then next is here tan theta is a positive. Then where tan angle is positive, that is we identify the quadrant. That is this tan is positive in first and third quadrant only. Then whatever we get the solution which lies in first and third quadrant means the number of positive quadrant of tan theta is the solution. Okay. That is just identify the number of positive quadrant means in which quadrant tan is positive, first or third quadrant में tan positive है. तो नंबर ऑफ सोल्यूशन, नंबर ऑफ प्रिंसिपल सोल्यूशन जो है वो कितने हो गए? 2 ही हो गए. जस्ट और आइदर इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड दिस, देन हियर दिस एंगल 0 to pi by 2, देन दिस हैज पाई, देन पाई से लेस देन एंगल है तो वी डिनोट द एंगल इन दिस क्वाड्रेंट पाई बाय 2 to पाई माइनस थीटा से डिनोट करेंगे. और देन दिस थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में जो एंगल होगा वो पाई से ग्रेटर देन है तो देन वी डिनोट दिस एज पाई प्लस थीटा. ओके. Here we don't denote this as pi by 2 plus something. Okay. To apply the allied angle formula, we have to use pi minus theta, pi plus theta form, not pi by 2 minus form. Okay. Then here 3 pi by 2. Then the angle which is greater than 3 pi by 2 but less than 2 pi, we denote this as 2 pi minus theta. Okay. Then here we just identify in which quadrant tan is positive, which is our solution. That is the number of principal solution. But if we want to solve in detail, then see here tan theta. What is tan theta is given 1, that is the positive value. What is the value of theta such that this value of tan is 1, that is tan pi by 4 is 1. Okay. Then tan theta is equal to what we get? Tan pi by 4. तो जो फर्स्ट वैल्यू होगी थीटा की वो क्या होगी? pi by 4. Then in order to find this second value find out करनी है तो क्या कौन सा फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे? बाय अलाइड एंगल, बाय यूजिंग द अलाइड एंगल फॉर्मूला. क्या है अलाइड एंगल फॉर्मूला? दैट इज tan ऑफ पाई प्लस थीटा इज इक्वल टू tan theta. Okay. That is tan pi plus theta is equal to क्या होता है? Tan theta होता है. That is this tan pi plus theta lies in which quadrant? Here pi plus theta. Okay. That is this pi plus theta angle and this angle lies in first and third quadrant, or either use by using the allied angle formula second principal value. Okay. Then this tan pi plus theta means tan pi plus pi by 4 is equal to this tan of pi by 4. तो सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? here as 5 pi by 4 tan of 5 pi by 4 and this as tan पाई बाय 4. तो थीटा की वैल्यू कौन कौन सी है? देन हियर वी गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा एज पाई बाय 4 and 5 pi by 4. Then we identify whether it lies in this interval or not. Then this is a principal solution. Then pi by 4 is less than 2 pi. Yes. Then this 5 pi by 4 is also less than 2 pi. Okay. Therefore, this pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4 is our principal solution. तो कितने principal solution मिले? Tan theta is equal to 1. That is the number of principal solution is 2. Then instead of solving all this detail, it is better to just identify where tan theta is equal to 1, then in which quadrant it is positive. Then it is positive in first and third quadrant. Then the number of principal solution must be 2. Okay, this the number of principal solution of tan theta is equal to -1. Then where tan is negative, then tan is negative means here tan is positive, here also all are positive, matlab tan is also positive, but in second and fourth quadrant this tan is negative. Then this tan lies in second and fourth quadrant, matlab number of principal solution कितने हो गए? 2 ही हो गए. ठीक है, that is the number of principal solution is 2. But either if you want to find this as, then we solve here. What we are given? Tan theta is equal to -1. तो tan of pi by 4 क्या होता है? tan of pi by 4 is 1. तो -1 को कैसे लिखेंगे? tan theta is equal to minus tan of pi by 4. Here this tan theta is equal to -1. We have to write this -1 as minus tan pi by 4. But we have to write this -1 it tan of some angle के फॉर्म में लिखना है. ठीक है, मीन्स नॉट द माइनस टाइम tan pi by 4. We have to write this -1 in terms of tan of some value of theta or this some angle such that after substituting here some angle we get tan of this angle as -1. But what we are write here? Minus time tan pi by 4. Then we have to find exact what is the value of this angle. Okay, such that after substituting this angle here we get tan of this as -1. Then we use here allied angle formula. By applying the allied angle formula, pi minus theta is minus time tan theta. Okay, this first and second allied angle formula is tan of 2 pi minus theta is equal to also minus time tan theta. ठीक है, then this as, that means this minus tan theta की जगह क्या है और tan pi by 4 है, और this minus tan theta मतलब minus tan pi by 4 है. ठीक है, then this tan pi minus pi by 4 is equal to क्या है? minus tan pi by 4. and second क्या है? this tan of 2 pi minus pi by 4 is equal to क्या है? minus tan of pi by 4 है. ठीक है, तो ये simplified term क्या होगी? 3 pi by 4, tan of 3 pi by 4. okay, this has one angle. and second क्या होगा? tan of 7 pi by 4. ठीक है, that is tan of 7 pi by 4 is equal to minus tan pi by 4. और this minus tan pi by 4 की वैल्यू क्या है? -1 है, मतलब tan 3 pi by 4 की वैल्यू क्या होगी? -1. एज वेल एज दिस tan of 7 pi by 4 is equal to क्या है? minus tan pi by 4 है, तो tan pi by 4 की वैल्यू क्या है? -1 है, मतलब दिस tan of 7 pi by 4 की वैल्यू क्या है? -1 है. तो क्या मिले? प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू एज 3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. okay, then where it lies? this 3 pi by 4 and this 7 pi by 4. if we substitute this value of theta, and here if we substitute here value of pi as 180, here also value of pi as 180, then our simplified value is lies in the quadrant second and fourth quadrant. okay, therefore this value is lies in second and fourth quadrant. Therefore the number of principal solutions are 2. means instead of doing all this detail, just identify in which quadrant it is positive here or here. for this in which quadrant tan is negative, then directly we get the number of principal solution, not principal solution. If it is required to find a particular values of principal solution, then you have to go by this process. okay, then the next one example, number of principal solution of cos theta is equal to 1 up. तो नंबर ऑफ प्रिंसिपल सॉल्यूशन ऑफ cos थीटा मतलब क्या है? cos थीटा की जो वैल्यू है वो क्या है? गिवन इज पॉजिटिव. तो cos थीटा कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में पॉजिटिव है? ठीक है, देन cos इज पॉजिटिव इन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट एज वेल एज इन फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में पॉजिटिव है. द नंबर ऑफ प्रिंसिपल सॉल्यूशन कितने हो गए? 2 ही होगी. Therefore, the number of principal solution is 2. In this way, we find for the any given example the number of principal solution, and from all these first 2-3 example, either you have observed in each case either it is positive term or it is negative term or it is whatever the tan, sine, in all the time we get the number of principal solution as a 2. Okay, this just remember number of principal solution is 2 for each and every sine, tan, cot, sec, cosec, whatever it the term. Okay, the next one example is there, the number of principal solution of sine theta is equal to -1 up. Then here also क्या हो गए 2 ही हो गए. Then for the next one it is, then here we have to find the principal solution of cot theta is equal to √3/2. Then here we have to find the particular values, that is it is not required the number of principal, it is required the principal solution. मतलब we have to find the principal कौन से values है थीटा की, ठीक है, which we have to find. principal solution मतलब the solution which lies between 0 to 2 पाई के बीच में लाई होना चाहिए, ठीक है. then cos theta is √3/2 है, तो cos theta is equal to this √3/2 right in the form of cos as that is this as √3/2 मतलब क्या हो गया cos of pi/6. this √3/2 is cos pi/6. तो फर्स्ट वैल्यू क्या मिली pi/6. देन सेकंडली we apply the allied angle formula. कौन सा है allied angle formula for to determine the second principal value by allied angle formula. allied angle formula cos 2 पाई माइनस थीटा क्या होता है cos थीटा होता है. देन cos ऑफ यह 2 पाई माइनस थीटा की क्या है pi/6 है, यह क्या है cos pi/6. तो सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे 12 माइनस 1 टाइम पाई दैट इज 11 pi/6. तो यह cos ऑफ 11 pi/6 इज इक्वल टू cos pi/6 और दोनों की वैल्यू क्या है √3/2 है. ओके, देयरफॉर द वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा, what is the value of theta pi/6 and second is 11 pi/6. then whether it lies in the interval 0 to 2 pi say less 2 pi say less than है, yes pi/6 is less than 2 pi. 11 pi/6 that is 6 2 is 12, then this is also less than 2 pi. therefore it lies in the interval 0 to 2 pi. therefore principal solutions are pi/6 and 11 pi/6. मतलब our option number C is correct.